Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, should I will talk about MSI for GeForce RTX 4070 cards with GDDR6 memory type. So friend, MSI has announced the Ventus even series. The GDDR6 is silent and MSI introducing the 4 new RTX 4070 cards and all cards are equipped with GDDR6 non-X memory. So friend, MSI for new graphics card featuring NVIDIA's latest RTX 4070 SQ but equipped with slower GDDR6 memory, and all four cards are part of the Ventus series and featuring a new E1 descriptor, with the only difference from the GDDR6 model in the name being the one. And MSI offer two designs, the triple fan Ventus 3X and dual fan Ventus 2X, and both are physically identical to existing GDDR6 variant and judging from the specification, and they also have the same GPU clock. What has changed in the memory clock and the technology, and now shipping with 20 Gbps speed instead of 21 Gbps. And the both cards will be available with or without factory overclocking, and any future the same clock of the GDDR6 variant, which is 2490 MHz and 2520 MHz respectively for non-AC and AC model. So friend, if you like my model, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.